Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. You're in Unit 8 Financial Statement Analysis, and today we are going to learn how to calculate trend percentage. Okay. Now you have a problem in front of you. Illustration number 12. Calculate trend percentage for the following particulars of Kurunji Limited. Right. Now see, let us go into the details of the problem. You have revenue from operations. This is the income statement that you have in front of you, and all the figures are expressed in thousands. You have revenue from operation of 120, other income you have 50, expenses you have 100. Likewise for 2015-16, 2016-17, 17-18. For 3 years you have. Okay, and you are going to compute the trend percentage. Right. Now, what are you supposed to do here is you are supposed to take the first year as your base year, and then take the figure of the base year as 100. Okay, and then you're going to express the figure for the other years as a percentage to the base year and determine the trend percentage. Right. Now, let us start the problem. Particulars of Punji Limited. Okay, trend analysis. Okay, trend analysis for Kurunji Limited. Fine. Now it's going to be in thousands, it's going to be in rupees and in thousands. 2015, 16, and then 2016, 17, 2017, 18. Okay, and then you have trend percentage. For the year 2015, 16, 2016, 17, 2017, 18. Find particulars. In this column, you have particulars. Now you have the figures there. Now you have revenue from operations. Let us take revenue from operations for all the 3 years: 120, 132, and 156. Right. Plus other income. What is your other income? They have mentioned it in the problem. Other income. Your other income is 50 rupees, 38, and 65. Right. So when you add 170, okay, this is 0, 100, and again 70, and then you have 1, 221. Fine. Sorry, 221. Then let us go to your expenses. Less expenses. Expenses is 100, 135, 123. Okay. So let us reduce this. That will be your profit. So let us first subtract, then you get a figure. That is 70. Okay. Then here you get 5 plus 6 minus 3, 35. Then you have your 11 minus 3, 8. So then you have 98. Right. So this is your profit before tax. This is your profit before tax. Fine. Now what you have to do is you have to take the first year as your base year and assume it is 100. So 100, 100. Okay, all the figures. First year's figures, let us assume it is 100. Okay, so you have to assume that the first year is the base year and the first year's amount is 100. Fine. Now let us calculate the trend percentage of 2016-17, 132, and 17-18, 156. So you're going to take this as your base year. Okay, so 120 divided by 120 into 100. into 100. Right? This is the first figure that you're going to calculate. So just cancel it. Okay, 12 will go here once, 12 will go here 11 times. So the answer is 110. So your trend percentage for the year 2016-17 is 110. Fine. So express the figure of the other years as a percentage for the base year. Fine. Now next is you're going to take 0, 0 cancel here. Then 12 will go here again once. So balance you have 3, so 30. So 130. For 2030 it is 130. Fine. Likewise you're going to do for everything. So now that you have completed revenue from operation, let us do other income. See, other income is what? 38 for 16, 17 and 65, okay, for 17, 18. So the base is 50. This is going to be your base. So 50 divided by 50 divided by 50 into 100. Okay, so 0, 0 cancel. 5 will go here 2 times. 0, 0 cancel. 5 will go here 2 times. So 1676 is the answer. Here it is 130. Fine, 65 into 130. So the answer is 76. And then 130. Okay, next we are going to the next one, that is your total revenue. The total revenue. The total revenue is what? 130. Just let me raise up the thing. Okay, so third one you have 170. 170 is your base. Fine. And then 170 it is for the next year. That is 2016-17. Isn't it? Into 100. Then you have 221. Your total revenue divided by 170 into 100. Fine. So you cancel this 100. So you have to take here figure as 100. So the trend percentage is 100 total revenue. Then you have 170 here, 0, 0 gets cancelled. So 17 will go here once. So for 51, so that will go here 3 times. So again 130. Fine. So that is 130. Next you have your third one. Third one is what? Your expenses. So your base for that particular is 100 and then 100. So 135 into 100 and then 123. Your expenses for the next following year is 123. So 0, 0 cancel. It's very easy. 135 and 123. Fine. Next fourth one. Fourth one is what? What is the base here? For fourth one, the base is 70. That is your profits before tax. Alright. So 35 into 100. 35 and 98. Sorry, 98 into 100. Okay. So 0 get cancelled here. 7 5s are 35, 50. Okay. Next here you have 98, right? 98. So 0, 0 get cancelled here. 7 will go here once. 7 4s are. So 14. 140. So this is the 10 percentage. See, we have calculated the trend percentage of 2015, 16, 16, 17 and 17, 18. Alright, I hope you understood you understood the problem, children. It's very easy. All you have to do is you have to take 2015, 16 as the base year. Okay, and you have to assume that the figures for the base year is 100. And then you have to calculate for the other years, the percentage for the other years. Alright, next I'll be going to problem number 12, exercise problem number 12. Okay, children, thank you.